Masasabi nating disiplinada ang lahat ng fans ng SB19 o sabihin nating halos lahat. Dahil nga, heto on the go agad sa paglilinis at clean up ang ating SB1918. This is not just impress other people but to encourage at ito ang tatak na. Tatak SB19, tatak 18 ang paglilinis, kalat mo, linis mo sa pakikipagtulungan ng Claygo. Hindi ito pagmamayabang, ito ay pag-i-encourage din sa ibang fans. Sa kabilang fans na maglinis din sa mga concert after ng mga concert in the future. Ito ay tatak SB19, tatak 18 at syempre, so far 18 lamang ang nakagawa nito. Ang paglilinis sa kalat mo, linis mo, kalat mo, at heto na ngayon ang itsura ng SMDC Festival Ground after ng concert na matagumpay. Bahagi ito o parte ng Claygo campaign ng 18, kaya naman good job 18 at maraming salamat. Dito sa Claygo campaign, dapat may willingness at initiative, may kusa sa paglilinis. Kaya naman, linisin mo ang kalat mo after ng concert. O di ba? Talagang nakakabilib kayo 18.
But it's too late now. I remember you and me, and how careless we could be.
All day and all night, we'd stay up, it felt so right. We were so young, we were so dumb. We would get drunk and then hook up. We were okay, we were alright. Staying awake till the sunrise. We were in love, couldn't stop us. Like a good drug, never enough.
We hook up in my car, driving so far. Play your guitar, you'd show me your art.